You really don't have to pay $20 or $200 every single month for Claude Code. In this video, I'm going to show you a free open source tool that gives you a very similar experience. And the interesting part, you get access to over 50 different AI models completely free. You can install it on your computer and start using it right away. The whole setup process takes less than 5 minutes, so if you want to use great AI tools without paying even a single dollar, let's jump straight in and get started right now. To get that same Claude Code experience plus tons of different AI models for $0, we're going to use a tool called Open Code. Now, some of you might already know about Open Code, and that's totally fine. First thing you need to do is click the link in the description below and head over to opencode.ai. This right here is a super popular open source AI coding tool that tons of developers use. The look and feel are almost identical to Claude Code. Both of them run straight inside your terminal. Open Code isn't locked to just one company. You can use pretty much any AI model from any provider you want. With Claude Code, you're pretty much stuck using models from Anthropic for sure. There are workarounds, but with Open Code, you just plug in your own API key or connect your favorite provider and you're good to go. Open Code actually has its own built-in feature called Open Code Zen, which gives you access to a bunch of totally free AI models you can start using right away. That's pretty much how the whole thing works. First, head over to opencode.ai. Once you're on the website, you'll see an installation command right on the page. Depending on your system setup, you have several options for installation. You can pull files directly using CQRL, stick with standard node tools like npm, or use system package managers like Brew for macOS and Peru for Arch Linux. Personally, I go with Bun. It is much faster, easier to use, and works as a direct modern replacement for npm. First, you need to get Bun installed on your system. If you've used npm before, you know you usually have to install Node.js first to get it. Bun works a bit differently. It's an all-in-one runtime and package manager, meaning you can install it directly with a single command in your terminal. Whether you're on macOS, Linux, or Windows, just run the setup command, reload your terminal, and you're ready to go. After installing, you might hit an error where your terminal says Bun isn't recognized as a command. Don't worry, this usually just means your system's path environment variable hasn't updated yet, so your system doesn't know where the executable lives. To fix it, just restart your terminal session to reload your path. If that doesn't work, manually copy Bun's install directory into your environment variables. To fix this on Windows, search for env in your Start menu and open Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables at the bottom. You'll see two sections, User Variables and System Variables. If you only want Bun available for your specific account, edit the path under User Variables. If you want every user on this PC to access it, edit the path under System Variables instead. Select Path, click Edit, and paste the folder directory where Bun was installed. As you can see on my screen, I've already added the path here. Once you save those changes, open a new terminal, head over to the Bun tab, click the copy button to grab the command, and paste it into your terminal to run it. Since I already have it installed on my machine, I'm going to hit Ctrl+C to cancel this step, but you should let yours run through. Next, let's look at how you can access dozens of free AI models directly inside Open Code. There are two primary ways to do this, starting with Open Code Zen. It acts as a centralized model hub, giving you seamless access to both premium and free LLMs under one roof. To get started, head over to opencode.ai/zen. Sign up for a free account, grab your credentials, and you can immediately get powerful models directly into your workflow. If you want to see what's available, open the official Open Code documentation and click on the Zen section. As you scroll down, you'll find a complete breakdown of every supported model on the platform. If you keep scrolling down to the models section right here, you'll see a solid selection of powerful AI models that are completely free to use. For example, Big Pickle, Mimo V2.5. All of these are models that you can completely use for free without paying anything. Once you install Open Code and launch it in your terminal, typing /model to list models and select models from the menu. Every model listed here is completely free to use. While this default list doesn't include heavy hitters like GLM 5.2 or other flagship models, that brings us to our second method. By using nvidia's API, you can unlock access to those high-performance models for free as well. Let me show you how to set that up. Let's test out Mimo V2.5 free. First, I'll quit out of here, navigate to my project folder, and create a new folder. Let's call demo test. I have selected Mimo V5.2 free. Again, all I did was download and install Open Code. I haven't logged in or configured any settings yet, so from here we can simply run instructions. Let's say I want to build a simple close website with monochromatic minimalism style, and now Open Code is now up and running with Mimo V2.5 free and ready to generate whatever you ask for. In this case, I asked it to build a simple close website using plain HTML. As you can see on screen, it's already generated. The entire website you see right here was built completely for free using Open Code paired with a free model. I specifically asked the AI to create a functional fashion clothes app, and this is the exact result it generated for us. It's fairly good is what I would say. For a free model, it's actually really good. If you want any changes or additions, just give it a quick command and watch it update. Now, the problem is that you only get access to these models for free if you go with Zen, but here is where things get really interesting. If you head over to build.nvidia.com, and I'll leave a direct link for you in the description below, you'll find an entire catalog packed with hundreds of different AI models. The real secret here is this toggle right on your screen labeled Free Endpoint. Once you flip that switch and hit apply, the platform instantly filters down to show you every single model you can access completely free of charge. You don't have to enter a credit card, you don't have to sign up for a trial, and you won't pay a single dime to start using them. Now, taking a look at these models like Minimax M3, every single one of them is available to you completely free of charge. The only thing to keep in mind is that each model comes with its own usage quota and rate limits provided by nvidia. To show you how to set this up, let's go ahead and pick one to integrate. For this demo, we'll go with Nemotron. And first of all, you'll have to sign up for an account. So you can simply create an account. And after creating an account, in order to get access to this API keys, there is no need to enter credit card information or subscribe to a paid tier. Clicking directly on the model card for Minimax M3 opens up its detailed specification page, giving you a breakdown of its specification, context length capabilities, and parameters. Let's navigate back to your running Open Code terminal session and run the splash models command. This brings up the interactive model configuration menu directly inside your workspace, allowing you to seamlessly register and switch to your newly selected NVIDIA endpoint. When you run that command, the model selection pop-up will immediately appear on your screen. From here, press Ctrl A to view all providers. This opens up a panel provider. Inside this directory, you'll see an extensive list of natively supported backends listing with Open Code Zen, Open Code Go, OpenAI, GitHub Copilot, and more. Since our goal today is zero-cost endpoints, we're going to select NVIDIA. Simply type NVIDIA into the search bar, then the highlight from the drop-down results. Just hit enter to move to the provider setup. Next, the pop-up will ask you to enter an API key to complete the connection. To grab your key, switch back over to the NVIDIA Build webpage and click on API keys in the upper right navigation menu. Click the Generate API Key button, give it a name like Test API so you can keep track of it, and hit Generate Key. Copy your newly generated key, switch back to Open Code, paste it into the prompt, and hit Enter. NVIDIA is now fully integrated as a provider, giving you direct access to its entire model library. If we head back to the NVIDIA Models page, check the free endpoint filter and hit Apply. You can now select any of these verified free models and start generating right away. Leave the settings at their default values and you're ready to start generating. Let's go ahead and submit our first prompt. In my experience, NVIDIA's free models tend to run a bit slower compared to Open Code Zen. Response times can take longer depending on current server load. It varies from moment to moment, but it's definitely something to keep in mind while testing it out. As you can see, even a simple greeting like hi takes a few seconds to process. If speed is your top priority, like when we built that entire website earlier in under a minute, sticking with Open Code Zen is definitely the way to go. However, if you're looking for, let's say, use specialized models that aren't available on Open Code Zen, NVIDIA is a great alternative to have in your toolkit. Just keep in mind that performance can be quite slow during peak times, so you'll need a little patience. If you want to check the speed beforehand, head over to the model's detail page and test it in the interactive playground. You can select a sample query, run it, and see how fast the response is. That wraps up everything I wanted to share with you today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.